Today is a Saturday and we are on a road trip to Birbhum in search of the place where Sati's Kakal or waste lies hidden in a kund. This is the Kankalitala Shakti Peeth, one of the 51 Shakti Peeths mentioned in Devi Mahatmya. This beautiful temple is located in Bolpur, about 8.5 kilometers from the Vishwabharati University. After buying flowers and offerings from the shops nearby, we are heading towards the temple to worship the goddess. The goddess is worshipped in the Mahakali avatar. This is the sacred kund where it is believed that Sati's waste is submerged under the waters. Birbhum is the musical district of West Bengal. Baul songs and flute music can be heard everywhere. Kankalitala Shakti Peeth is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths which is mentioned in Devi Mahatmya. Right now we are standing here and I am standing near the Bhairav temple. The Devi here is known as Dev Garva and the Bhairav who is guarding the temple is named as Ruru. This is the original Bhairav temple where Lord Shiva is worshipped as Ruru. It is believed that darshan of Shakti Peeth is not complete without paying a visit to the Bhairav temple. Now we are heading towards the Vishwabharati University. We have hired a Toto or an electric rickshaw for Rs 400 for 5 of us, and the driver is going to act as the guide and would show us different places of interest. Unfortunately, all the places of interest are closed since the lockdown. This is the Chhatim Tala, where Rabindranath Tagore's father, Maharshi Devendranath Tagore, meditated. This is the Upasana Ghar, made of Belgian glass and is known as Kanch Mandir. As told by our guide cum Toto driver, this is the palm tree or the Tal Gach which inspired Tagore to write the poem Tal Gach. Tal Gach ek paye dariye, shob gach chhariye, uki mare akashe. You all remember the poem, right? This is our last destination for the day. Today is Saturday and we are at the Shonajhuri hut. This hut is so colorful. It is very difficult to choose from the great variety of items. This is the Talpatar Shepai toy made of palm leaves. This is a very primitive toy and is vanishing fast. I think I'm going to buy a few of these. Now, who can stop themselves from joining this beautiful Santali dance? So we join in. After a day well spent, we are now heading back home to Durgapur. The distance of Bolpur from Durgapur is about 60 kilometers and would take you about 2 hours to reach. We hired a cab which charged us Rs 3,500 for the entire trip. I hope you people have enjoyed watching the video as much as we enjoyed exploring Bolpur. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.